look out, look out, look out, look out, look out. Bruh. Yo, bro. It's been a long time coming. Not really a long time, but it's been a long time coming, my nigga. Y'all see the title? I don't have to explain nothing. Y'all know what's about to happen right now. Y'all see me? Y'all see your boy? I look. I look. Oh my god. Bro, get the box up out of it. Bro. First of all, it's my baby now. You my baby. Like, I went from, hold on. I'm gonna put it to you simply, man. I had to give up on the BBWs, bro. I just had to give up on the BBWs. Like, it held me down. This Xbox right here held me down. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the proper send off, my guy. Like 2K16, my guy. 2K16. I had this since 2K16. 2015 to be exact. It was my birthday. I remember it. And you never broke on me. Never crashed. You never got hacked. I never got banned on this console. It's just, I just don't know how to say it. Like, you know what I'm saying? We just not doing beat. Not doing it no. But yeah, man, here we are. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's my baby, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, man, hold on. It's the front of the box, as y'all probably already saw. Right side of the box. And what it say? Focus, focus, all digital. Look. People was getting on me for getting this and not the X because it's more powerful or whatever, but I'm like, bro, I don't need a disc drive. I don't need 4K. 1440 is fine. Don't let these niggas trick and use more money, bro. It's the back of the box. And it's the left side of the box. It's up to 120 frames, you know what I'm saying? 512 gigabyte SSD. And everything else, y'all probably pause and read, I don't know. But let's, you know what I'm saying, let's open this. Yo, y'all gotta see this. Bro, like, bro, power your dreams, man. Bro, is this it? Bro. Yo. So this is it. This is the system, y'all. It can fit in my palm. I can palm this, bro. You can't palm the BBWs like that, bro. We went from BBW to a skinny white bit, you know what I'm saying? BBW to the skinny white. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Let's sit this right. Sit that right there. I was about to say it don't come with nothing, nigga. There's nothing in here, but a little compartment right there. You got HDMI cable that everybody probably has. You know what I'm saying? No use for that. You got the adapter that go on the wall. You got a manual. Niggas don't read. Ooh. And then you got the controller. Oh my lord. Bro, it's low-key the same. I think it's the exact same controller, but I don't know what. It's something about it, bro. It's just something about it. I don't know what it is. Make sure. You know, bro. And it got, look, y'all see the share button in the middle? Shout out PlayStation for that, but bro, this little system right here is more powerful than a PlayStation. And y'all niggas wanna be PS4 games so bad, getting hacked by lizards and stuff. Just look at it, bro. You know what I'm saying? But look, my baby right here, she held me down, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She a BB dub, you know what I'm saying? She cooked for me, you know what I'm saying? She was there through my worst times. Hey, look, never cheated, bro. Never. Y'all know I'm loyal to the Xbox, you feel me? So, this is probably the best unboxing y'all niggas ever watched. Best unboxing. Got the Xbox Series S right here. Don't know when gameplay is gonna come out, but make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Gameplay coming on this bad boy real soon. Actually, hold on. I'm tripping. Why I ain't taking out the plastic? Like, y'all really gotta see this. Woo, bro! Look at how small this. Look at how small this is, bro. This is like a size. I'm gonna say this is like a size 11.5 shoe right here. packed full of power, bro. Like, if you can't rock with this, like, it's something wrong with you mentally. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Gameplay coming real soon. You feel me? It's Preme, man. I'm out.